I don't really never. I'm always carrying a light in my pocket.
Out here at the range today.
I'll put that other one next to it again just for a sec. This one actually felt like it had a nicer trigger off the box. Sometimes they come a little different. Although I know to non-fans of Glock, they're all just really crap.
The staccatos. Crazy prices.
They both come with 2 mags still. Is that the standard release?
Sand Viper. Can't see it too good with the glare. $7,000 pistol.
Oh. I got my 19.
Shadow Systems. Retro. Shadow Systems. SP5 pistol. Nice. These are lower ends of staccatos, but they're still running over 2K. A friend of mine actually just picked up one of the smaller ones like this. Sorry about the glare, guys. A few of the range rifles. All different types. I don't know, I never been the one for all the colorful stuff. A few Rugers, some HKs. Pretty sweet. There's some Q Honey Badgers. FNs. A few of the FN rifles. Yeah, I know it's been a long time since I've done a video, man. Trying to get stuff together, put some Daniel defenses. Then we got the CMMGs. That's about it. Just want to come do a quick video, man, since I haven't been around in a minute. But I appreciate you guys for liking, subscribing to my channel, man. Help me build my Dog CDS channel. Peace and love.